So here I have a paper that I combined a grade 12 question papers that only includes functions. So for revision, we are going to be doing revisions for grade 12 functions. So the first question says f of x is equals to ax squared plus q, and g of x is equals to half to the power x minus 4, right? And it also says, the question also says a and b are x-intercepts of f. The graph intersects at a and point E 1, 3 lies on point 1, 3 lies on F. And it also says C is the turning point. It says C is the turning point of F, and D is the y-intercept. D is the y-intercept of G. Right. So this is F and G that we are talking about in the question. So let me interpret the question before I draw the diagram. So we're saying A and B are x-intercepts. So we're saying if A and B are x-intercepts, we're saying for both values y is 0, because along the x-axis y is 0, right? Of f of this function. So we're saying we are having A and B as x-intercept of this function, where we're saying both for the 2 points y values are 0. Then the question goes on to say the graph intersects at A and point E is 1, 3 lies on F. So I said point E, that is 1, 3, it is lying on this function. C is the turning point of F, and G is the turning point, and G is the y-intercept of G. So what you are saying is, if you are saying this is a parabola, where you are saying ax squared plus q is the general function of the parabola, and this one is an exponential function, since you are saying half to the power x minus 4. And here we are saying C is the turning point of f. So we are saying C is the turning point of the parabola. So maybe if it is an upward concave, the turning point, we are saying this one, the turning point is this one, is the one that is being referred as C, right? Although if it is a downward concave, this one is the point that is being referred as C, right? And D is the y-intercept of G. And we said G is an exponential function, so we're saying it is the turning point. If our exponential function, let's say, is like this, so we're saying this one is the point that we are calling G. So let me draw the graph that is drawn in the question. This was just an interpretation. So the graph on the diagram or on the question is like this. So it is drawn like this, where this is x, this is y, there is a curve like this, there is a curve like this, where this point was named C, is the turning point of f, the parabola, right? So we have a small f representing f. Then here we are giving another graph that is intersecting here and here. So we are saying this point is A, right? The x-intercept that we are talking about here, and this is D, that we say it is the turning point of G, right? Then also we are saying this is O, our origin. Then what else? So this is G of X. Then we are having C. Yes, we named the point C already. F. Then this is B, another x-intercept that was named x-intercept of F, right? The parabola. Then we have also another point here that we called E, that was named 1, 3. So this is the diagram according to the question. So let me go to the questions. So now the questions are saying, so I hope everyone else got the question. This is the question. So now we are going to the, so now